Here is what happened on the latest edition of Morning Glory.
Now, energy is something that everybody needs, and it looks like we could be having all our energy needs met very, very soon by NASA. A cocktail glass-shaped satellite that could provide a third of the world's required energy by 2025 is now being developed by NASA. The design was created by Dr. John Mankins, who was commissioned by NASA to explore the possibility of using solar panels in space to send energy to Earth. And what he's come up with is an incredible floating satellite named the SPS Alpha, or Solar Power Satellite via Arbitrarily Large Phased Array. Remember that? In a recent interview, Dr. Mankins claimed that depending on funding, it could be launched by as early as 2025. A single solar power satellite would deliver power to the order of a third of humanity. Not all at the same time, but any of that market could in principle be addressed. The technology would mean that energy would be beamed down to Earth, where power stations would pick it up and farm it out to customers. And the system would be made up of thousands of thin, curved, mirror-like pieces which could move around to ensure that it picked up as much sun as possible. The inside of the SPS Alpha would also be lined with photovoltaic panels, which convert the sun's energy into microwaves. These microwaves would then be beamed down to Earth out of the bottom end of the cocktail glass. That sounds fantastic, doesn't it? If successful, this project will make it possible the construction of huge platforms from tens of thousands of small elements that can deliver remotely and affordably tens to thousands of megawatts using wireless power transmission to markets on Earth and missions in space. Solar energy available in space is billions of times greater than we use on Earth, and beaming it down has long been seen as the answer to our dwindling energy supplies. Wonderful stuff.
Live on 96 FM Morning Glory.